Every morning, we wake up with the same thoughts, feel the same emotions, make the same choices. And we call it life. I'm Will Bennett, and this is Understanding Free Will. So let's go deeper. Everyone has a behavioral pattern, a way of reacting. And most of the time, we don't question it because it feels familiar. Because our brain wants predictability. Not happiness, not growth, just comfort. But something shifts when you don't follow the program. You create space. And in that space, free will shows up. Not as something dramatic, not as a life-changing decision, but as a small, quiet choice you usually don't even notice. That's where real change begins. So instead of talking about theory, let's observe it in real life, in ordinary moments, in decisions that seem insignificant, until they're not.
This is Alex. He's just living his life, like most of us do. One night, while watching a movie with a friend, a small notification pops up on his phone. Payment due today. He sees it and thinks, I'll take care of it later. Morning comes. His payment is now officially late, just by a day. Alex shrugs it off. A few weeks later, he tries to buy a laptop he needs for a new training program at work. The purchase is declined. No laptop means he can't join the program. He watches his coworkers get closer to their manager. He tells himself it's fine. This probably won't affect me much. But we'll see. As the months go by, Alex starts looking for a new apartment across town. But during the application, he learns he now needs a co-signer because of his credit score. So he moves farther away, to a smaller, quieter place on the edge of the city. The metro is crowded, slowly draining him. And that fatigue follows him into the office. His focus fades, his patience thins. A small mistake at his desk, just a misclick, is enough for his manager to notice. And by the end of the year, Alex comes home to a silent apartment and feels the weight of everything he never meant to let happen. One quiet choice, echoing through 12 long months. Every moment, every choice, even the smallest ones, they're all acts of free will. We return to that moment, Alex on the couch, his friend beside him, only this time he lifts his phone and pays it, right away.
Are you ready to break the pattern? See you on the next episode of Understanding Free Will.